In the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a fracture in Earth's story. A cosmic visitor, rich in carbon, struck our world and set histories in motion. From embers and pressure came fuels and firestorms that reshaped the planet. Across continents, ancient memories survived in maps, myths, and stone. Science meets legend as we trace the scars beneath ice, oceans, and mountains. This is the Antarctic impact theory. Coal, oil, and natural gas power our modern world. But what if they were created not over millions of years, but in a single catastrophic event?
As the land wave rolled across Earth, it buried entire ecosystems under heat and pressure. Forests were crushed into coal seams, especially where the shock was most intense.
Geologists find vast lignite deposits in Antarctica. In this theory, that's a fingerprint of the impact's burial and heating.
So anthracite in the most stressed zones and young lignites near the pole could both be byproducts of the same event?
Yes. The impact didn't just move land, it cooked it. Pressure and heat turned organic layers into coal far faster than slow geology would suggest.
Oil and gas may also trace to the event. Fragments of a carbon-rich shell ignited the atmosphere and superheated surface organics, creating primitive hydrocarbons.
If that happened, we should see tar pits, shallow seeps, and even deeper pools tied to burn zones.
We do. Some basins look like scars, buried quickly, then pressurized. The timing lines up with other post-impact clocks.
There's an analog. In 1988, Yellowstone firestorms generated fire tornadoes so hot they left pools of crude-like material at the surface.
Scale that up to continents. Winds hundreds of miles an hour, ash fallout, and a world on fire.
Those winds feed vortices. Vortices concentrate heat. Forests ignite, carbonizes, and in places liquefies, then gets buried by collapsing land.
Ash layers and soot bands appear in cores from this period, consistent with widespread burning.
So coal, oil, and gas become evidence, not just resources, traces of catastrophe.
Exactly. They are byproducts of impact physics, pressure, heat, burial, and time.
Next, we turn to the people who lived through it, memories preserved as myths, maps, and names.
In Episode 4, we ask whether our ancestors remembered the sky on fire and how they rebuilt after.